Hi everyone, it's Maggie and I am here to share my latest project with you. I made a large doily album, and this was using 7-inch doilies, which is, I think it's the largest doily I've used for an album. Excuse me. And the theme is Ballerina Girl, that's what I'm calling it. And a friend sent me some images of things and little girls to do with Ballerina, and I wanted to use them in a special album. So this is it, and as you can see, it's full of dangles and beads, and these beautiful images are like paintings. And this is the front cover, and it's large enough I can't really get it all in camera, but I'm going to try. The side of it I used seam binding like I normally do. I just kind of like this way of putting it together. And then I added this piece here just to dangle on the side, and I thought it just went perfectly with the ballerinas. So as usual, I used a lot of doilies. I used a lot of appliques that I cut up to, to just fit. I think I have I think I have like 3 doilies on each page, so they're thick pages, but I needed that thickness because of the size of the album. So there's flowers, there's appliques, as I said, different ones that I cut up and added to other appliques, small trims, there's bling pieces, and let's see, there's pearls. And I really kind of went, I'm not going to say overboard, but I did want to go for that over-the-top look because of a ballerina and her costumes. They're beautiful costumes, and, it's just kind of over the top. So, as I said, there's appliques, there's lots of dangles, there's this beautiful dangle trim here. That's actually from Crass Applies for You. There's just rows of dangles in each one, and it's hard to kind of show them, so I'm just going to highlight this. I can't show every detail. I'd be here probably for like an hour. Here's another applique. Some of them I avocado dyed, some of them I tea dyed and put them together. But and I used just a touch of pink here and there because of the costumes. Wow. So this is the first inside page, and I used purple on this one and some pink. I don't know if this will show, but it's a very, very pale pink. And I added some more. This is a piece from Crass Supplies for You, as well as this cutout rose behind it. This piece here, too, is another trim. A lot of trims I use are from Crass Supplies for You, so you just have to go to the store and look through them to find some of them. And there is still a 30% off sale going on, so let's see, until tomorrow night, midnight tomorrow night. So there's some trims there. It's just really hard to show all the details, but hopefully I'm close enough that you can just look. There's my little clay flowers, my bling buttons, the acrylic flowers with the rhinestones. This page is a pocket page. And again, there's lots of trims from Crass Supplies for You, lots of doilies. Let's see, I embellished the top of this with these little rosettes with the pearls. Let's see. the pocket itself is a half of a doily, but I covered it up. You can't see it. And then the next page is this one with two little ballerinas. And I went over it with this, went around it with this gather trim, and then this trim around here. Some applique flowers that I doubled. Some of them I tripled. More dangles, clay flowers. And I'll just show you the dangles. This one I put some pink in there. This one is blue because of her costume. And I forget who, someone gifted me these, and it was a trim, and I cut it up, and I added pink to it because there's some pink in the image, so there's like little pink flowers, and I added little pearls to it, more appliques that I just cut up and kind of mixed in. These pieces in the back here, the flowers in the goldish color, those are from Sophia. So that's that page. And then this is the flower page. And I kept this applique all in one. I didn't cut it up because it was just too beautiful. I didn't want to cut it up. It just fit perfectly on that page. And there's more trims, some from my stash, some from Craft Supplies for You. I made this flower a long time ago, and the color just went perfect, so I used that. There's more clay flowers, flower appliques, dangles. And then the last image page is of a pair of ballet slippers. And again, there's blue in that, so I just went with it, I guess. Whatever I thought, you know, looked really good, I added to it. And there's different trims on here and different pieces of appliques. And I love these rolled roses, the trim from KS for You. And here's an applique flower that I added the daisy to in the middle of that. So I just kind of put it together, I guess. And here's the back page. I kept it very simple, just the doilies. I added this little daisy applique and some fringe on the back, and that's all I did to the back. So that's it, everyone. That's my large, or larger than I'm used to making, doily album. And let me see if I can get at least some of it in frame. So yeah, that's it. If you'd like, let me know what you think. Leave a comment, and I'll be back again with more entries into my image challenge. I got a lot over the weekend, and now I'm behind. I need to do at least 2 videos on that. So those will be up in the next couple of days. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll be back again soon. Bye for now.